Hey viewers, how are you guys doing today? So, we're talking about something I love to talk about, taxes. So, there are two things we're sure about. We will pay taxes or and we're going to die. So, those are two things you're really sure of. You pay taxes on everything. You go to the store, you pay taxes. You go to the bathroom, you pay taxes. The toilet paper, of course, you pay taxes on that. So, on a serious note, how are we planning? I have a previous video we talked about retirement planning and we didn't go into the tax ramifications of the types of retirement plans that we pick. But this particular video, I'm wanting to expand a little bit on taxes. So we have a favorite uncle, or maybe a not so favorite uncle, called Uncle Sam. He loves to eat into our retirement. So he waits, he doesn't want to tax you or let's say ask for a contribution on your seed. So your little brain, he waits till it's a juicy harvest. And he gets in on that. So this is the reason why we find a lot of people in their 60s going back to work because Uncle Sam has delved into their retirement. Taxes have a big part to play with this. So there are two tax codes in America: the tax code for the informed, and there's a tax code for the uninformed. Those who are uninformed, they pay taxes. Those who are informed, they pay minimal taxes. I'm not here to tell you anything illegal. There are people out there, billionaires, who pay barely any taxes. It's because they take advantages of those tax advantages that are out there. Be smart with your money. Don't work hard for a long time and end up paying taxes on everything or making a financial plan that ends up eating into whatever you've saved up because all of it goes to Uncle Sam. Yes, Uncle Sam will get his cut, but they're tax free strategies that you can put your money into, which will be high interest. So you're gaining money and paying minimal taxes. And you can even take a loan from yourself and pay very low interest and no taxes. If you want to find out more, again, get with me one on one so we can come up with a financial plan for you because there are strategies out there that most of us don't know about. Yes, you who's watching this, I'm talking to you. Get with me as soon as you can. Do not procrastinate because the waiting game is a losing game. Time waits for nobody. And you do not want to be 2 months away from retirement and you have nothing in your savings. You have nothing in that portfolio that you've put money into. So make sure you get with me. We'll sit down across the kitchen table or on Zoom and we can come up with a strategy for you and get you into a plan that works for you and your family. Do not wait till the last minute. Remember, subscribe, share my videos, follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and we'll talk to you soon. Ciao.